Agia Galini, on the south coast of Crete, is one of the more remote villages of Rethymno province that well repays the small effort required to get there. It began life as a fishing village, but thanks to the warm Libyan Sea, which it faces, holidaymakers have marked it down. There's a good highway leading south from Rethymno through the mountains, hitting the south coast some 60 kilometers later, where you can turn right for the last small stretch to Aghia Galini, which in fact means holy tranquility. The Catel rural bus from Rethymno takes about an hour and a half. A small ferry service connects Aghia Galini with points on the coast further west, including the impressive cliff top of Preveli Monastery.